Yes, you might have noticed I'm still in my robe. It's the weekend, it's almost noon. I'm doing the things that I don't really like to do, which is washing my microfibers.
As someone who details cars professionally, we could say that having the root pest polisher or an expensive vacuum or top-of-the-line products is the best investment that you can make for your detailing business, and I would disagree with you. It's actually these, right here, microfibers. Some of them can be $3, $4 a towel. Some of y'all are out there throwing away your towels after one use, or you're immediately demoting them to interiors. You're throwing away hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over a year in microfibers, let alone the landfills that you're throwing your microfibers into. So for me, laundering my microfibers saves me money, saves the environment, but also it gives me better quality work on my customers' cars. A dirty towel is going to leave streaks on your glass. A linty towel is going to be a nightmare when you're coating vehicles. So obviously you want to make sure that you are caring for them properly, laundering them properly. Most professional microfiber manufacturers would tell you wash your glass towels separately, your paint towels separately, your interior towels separately, because obviously you got different sealants and dirt and things like that you don't want to contaminate your towels. Normally I use PNS rags to riches and white vinegar to launder my towels. Why white vinegar? Well, that helps actually boost or replenish the absorbency of your drying towels, because if you're using a drying aid or a ceramic detailer when you dry the vehicle, that will get on your towel and it will prevent it from having an absorbency. It's actually sealing your towel and making it less absorbent. White vinegar can help kind of break down the hydrophobics and help your towel stay fluffy, and it helps replenish the absorbency. I actually have a new product that we're going to be testing out today. Actually be washing our microfibers with Detail Co, their Microfiber Wash. Jamie actually told me that I shouldn't even need white vinegar for my towels. He said it strips everything off of it. So we're going to be testing it out today. I don't really want to have to wash these twice. What I want to see afterwards, are they clean? Are they fluffy? Do they dry properly, at least my drying towels? So we're going to go ahead and do some laundry and test out the microfiber wash for you guys. So we can see with great protection comes great responsibility. So we designed a superior microfiber solution to clean and declog our premium microfiber at 2 ounces to 2.5 gallons for towel pre-soak. I actually do something similar. These are ceramic coating towels and applicators that I've just had soaking in APC. But we can use something like this to help prevent coatings and sealants from cross-linking. This will help you be able to reuse those towels. Add 2 ounces to washing machine with cold water and extra rinse cycle for a superior clean experience. I mean, y'all are saying cold water? Ugh. I've always used hot to break down all the dirt and the solvents and just things like that. So I'm gonna keep doing what I normally do. Cold water. I will do an extra rinse. So I normally do whitest whites because it's hot, and I do heavy soiling for my dirty towels, normal for my drying towels, medium with an extra rinse. So it takes a while with my washing machine, and I do use this washing machine to launder my family's clothes. So I do constantly, like if I do a load of microfibers for my business, afterwards I will do like a white load with bleach, because obviously bleach is going to help kind of sanitize and clean everything. And then I'm routinely doing a washing machine maintenance detergent inside. I even asked Jamie, can you use this to clean your washing machine? And he said it'll clean everything. So I haven't tested that, but it's interesting to think about. I mean, if it's cleaning your towels, shouldn't it technically clean your washing machine drum? So I know you guys are probably cringing that I don't have a separate washing machine for my towels. There are some detail shops that they will go to a laundromat because their wives have forbidden it. I have not had any issues, honestly, with our clothes. They smell good. They are clean when they come out. As long as you are like maintaining it and using common sense, no problems that I've seen. But we're going to go ahead, measure out 2 ounces of this for this load, and we're going to do 2 ounces for all of this. I want to kind of see how far can this one bottle go. It's 16 ounces, so I should be able to do 8 loads of laundry. I've got probably 4 here, so hopefully this will be enough. But if this is any good, I'm just going to say do yourself a favor, buy a gallon of it. because with the amount of microfibers that I wash, I'm gonna go through this really quick.
So 2 ounces is a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna actually measure this out for y'all. I normally do like a glug thing with PNS, and I just kind of go bloop 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 like this, and then white vinegar bloop bloop bloop. I fill it up all the way to the top, and then I typically, sometimes when I'm using detergent, we'll use these caps, and they have like these numbers that I feel like don't really equate to much, which just kind of kicks and giggles. How many is 2 ounces? That takes us up to about line number 3 if you're using a laundry detergent cap. So go with God. Hopefully this works. I am gonna do warm water. We're gonna try it. I can't quite commit to cold. We're gonna do warm water, normal, medium, extra rinse. Let's see how this works.
They smell clean. I mean, they don't smell like downy clean, but they don't smell sour. They don't smell stagnant. Not much of an odor, but you don't really want scents or fabric softeners in your towels. They feel clean, look clean. I'm gonna dry these on low 2 times. 1 is not enough. And then we'll keep going. It took 2 days, but we are finally all done with our microfibers. We were able to do all of these microfibers, and we have about a half of the bottle left. So about 2 ounces per load is all we needed. Everything came out clean. I had no stains or soiling left behind. What I do notice is that my towels don't feel like super soft. You actually don't want your microfibers to be snugly soft. If they're super soft, they might actually have like a fabric softener within them or have started to actually break down. That's where you're gonna see a lot of your fibers on your glass and things like that when your microfibers are too soft. Now your Korean plush, obviously you want them to be nice and soft, but you actually want them to have kind of a little bit of a like a sticky feeling to them. Most new microfibers are actually going to kind of irritate your skin because of the high amount of fibers within them, or the GSM. So I actually feel like everything came out nice and clean. Hopefully we will have nice absorbency. But when it comes to cleaning capabilities, our Microfiber Wash from Detail Co. did a great job. So for those of you that detail professionally, just do yourself a favor, grab a gallon of this stuff. I'm not noticing any scent to the microfibers. They just smell clean. I'll be honest with you, some of my microfibers, I've had these for years. They can get a little bit of like a stagnant smell to them. I don't have a stagnant smell to it. And I actually used some of the Microfiber Wash to clean the seals in my washing machine, and it actually did a really good job at cleaning my washing machine. So I think that just speaks to how powerful of a detergent this is. If it can clean gunk like that, it will clean gunk off of your microfibers and help you be able to preserve your investment. Hopefully save you guys some money so that way you're not constantly having to buy new microfibers. This is probably close to $1,000 of microfibers, not gonna lie. So make sure you guys have the right detergents to preserve your investment. So we've tested how well the Microfiber Wash can clean. This is a towel that I've actually had for several years now. It was starting to lose its absorbency, kind of push water around. Let's see how well the Microfiber Wash can restore our absorbency. We have great absorbency. I'm not just pushing water around. It sucks the water up very nicely. We're gonna dry the rest of this vehicle with our towel and see if the Microfiber Wash actually can help your drying towels maintain their absorbency. Typically, I'll use a leaf blower to push a majority of the water off of the vehicle, so that way I can just use one towel to dry the remainder. But in this instance, we left all of the water on the vehicle and then dried. So we were able to dry the entire vehicle with this one towel. Mind you, it is a bigger towel. This is actually one of my favorites from a Case 37. Really great for larger vehicles. And have a nice little pocket. Put your hand, throw it. That way I can be lazy when I dry my car.
But for those of you that are wanting to know what products you need to maintain your microfibers with, Detail Co Microfiber Wash did a fantastic job at cleaning them, keeping them nice and new feeling, helping to replenish absorbency. That's everything that you want to look for out of a microfiber detergent. I'll put the link for it down below. They did give us a coupon code for you guys to save 10% off, so make sure you check that in the video description box down below. And if there's other products that you guys want to see from Detail Co, let me know. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for any future videos that we have coming out. But thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next detail. Now I'm more laundry.